March 6, 1957. The clock is approaching midnight in the capital city of Accra. Thousands of people are gathered outside the old polo grounds. Men in traditional cloth. Women singing freedom songs. Children sitting on their fathers' shoulders. They have waited for this moment for generations. For nearly 100 years, this land had been ruled by a distant empire. The British called it the Gold Coast. But to its people, it was home. In the late 1800s, Britain tightened its control over the region. Gold, cocoa, timber. The land was rich, and the empire benefited. The people worked the farms, the mines, the ports. But the decisions that shaped their lives were made thousands of miles away in London. Slowly, resistance began to grow. Educated Africans, workers, and farmers began asking a simple question: why should foreigners rule our land? In the 1940s, a new voice rose above the crowd. His name was Kwame Nkrumah. Young, charismatic, fearless. He believed independence should not come slowly. He believed it should come now. His slogan spread across the country: self-government now. Mass rallies filled the streets. Workers went on strike. Students protested. The British authorities grew nervous. In 1950, Nkrumah was arrested and sent to prison. But prison did not silence him. It made him stronger. In 1951, something unexpected happened. Elections were held. Even though he was still in jail, Nkrumah's party won overwhelmingly. The people had spoken. The British had no choice. They released him from prison. And soon, he became leader of the government. The road to independence had begun. Now the year is 1957. The crowd in Accra is counting down. 10, 9, 8, the British colonial flag slowly begins to lower. For the last time. Then a new flag rises into the night sky. Red, gold, green, with a black star shining at the center. The crowd erupts. Cheers, drums, tears of joy. For the first time in modern history, a sub-Saharan African colony has gained independence from European rule. Ghana is born. Standing before the crowd, Kwame Nkrumah raises his voice. He declares words that will echo across Africa. At long last, the battle has ended. And thus, Ghana, your beloved country, is free forever. But he continues. Because Ghana's freedom was bigger than Ghana. He says, the independence of Ghana is meaningless unless it is linked with the total liberation of Africa. The world watched. Across Africa, people saw something powerful. If Ghana could be free, so could they. Soon, independence movements spread across the continent. Nigeria, Kenya, Tanzania, many more. Ghana had lit the flame. March 6, 1957. It was more than a celebration. It was the beginning of a new African story. A story of freedom. A story of identity. A story of a black star rising in the night sky. And a reminder that sometimes, the loudest revolutions begin with a single word. Freedom.